Welcome back to Explore Error. In today's video, I'll show you the top 5 hidden Windows 10 settings to improve performance. So let's get started. Step 1. Reduce visual effects. Right-click on this PC, go to Properties, then open Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings and choose Adjust for Best Performance. This removes heavy animations and helps Windows run faster, especially on low-end PCs. Step 2. Disable startup apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and turn off apps you don't need when your PC starts. This will improve boot time and overall performance. Step 3. Turn on Storage Sense. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage. Turn on Storage Sense to automatically remove temporary files and free up space. Step 4. Limit background apps. Open Settings, go to Privacy, then Background Apps. Turn off the apps you don't need running in the background to save RAM and improve speed. Step 5. Optimize power settings. Open Control Panel, go to Power Options, and select High Performance for better speed and smoother performance. And that's it. These simple but powerful settings can make a big difference in Windows 10 performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.